This little stop motion should kind of summarize how to build one of these, so it'll maybe make some more sense when we go through the steps. First thing you do is you cut everything to length, leaving it about 1/2 of an inch, maybe an inch thicker or longer than your bench top is thick. And then you chisel at an angle so that when you put pressure on it, it will make it about 90 degrees from the workpiece, if that makes sense. And then you want to drill a hole. You want it bigger than whatever wire you're using so that the wire can poke in and out easily. And then you want to grind that groove out a little thicker so it runs freely, but not at the bottom, because you want the bottom to pinch the tie wire nice and tight. This wire will almost certainly not work correctly the first time you do it. You can see I just barely cut off a little length of it because it was too long. Hammer it in a little. Just keep playing with it. Little by little you'll get the fit to where it does what it's supposed to do and acts like a spring. This is basically the shape you're looking for. This is just regular tie wire. So you want the hole on the bottom to be even a hair smaller than this part, than the tie wire. But this one needs to be big enough that it can slide freely in and out. You can see it's wedged in there pretty tight towards the bottom. But then this part goes in and out, and that acts like the spring. So if that doesn't work, or it pushes in and does this, see, looks like I need to refine it a little bit. So it's either getting caught in there or in this little track. But anyways, that's what you want it not to do. There we go. Now don't get me wrong, these are better than these. But if you need to make some in a pinch, if you need a bunch more, these are super easy to make. They're basically free, the cost of a dowel. Most of us have dowels just laying around, so why not make some of these? It might help you out. Thanks for watching the video. I got a lot more complicated stuff on my channel, but this was just kind of a thing I had to make, so I might as well film it. Thanks for watching.